What is up? Welcome to my very first video of this channel. I recently just got my very first truck ever. I got a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Super excited. I mean, like I said, it's my first truck, so I mean, there's so much that I can do with it, especially, you know, coming from a Nissan Armada. There's some stuff you can do to it for sure, but with this truck, there's just so many more opportunities, and I'm pretty stoked. One of the things immediately from, you know, pulling off the dealership lot was there was nowhere for me to like really put my phone. So I just decided to go online and I found this company called Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions, and information will be in the description, but I got the Ruby Grid V2, which is compatible with my truck, the MagSafe phone holder. So yeah, let's get into the install. All right, now that we have the bracketing base plate in, secured to the two screw holes right here, it's time to put the top bracket. I went ahead and I installed the bottom ball mount to this already. I did make the mistake of attaching this base plate to this before putting the ball mount bracket on, and that makes it extremely impossible to put this on once this is down. So make sure that you put this on where you want it and then install this to that other bracket. One thing that will help is to not fully tighten all these screws. That way you can make sure that everything is getting aligned properly. All right, once everything looks good, it's where you want it, especially this guy, go ahead and just tighten these down. Not super tight, but just enough to where you know it's secure and it's not gonna rattle on you, which you know, because it kind of gets snug pretty easy. All right, now that we have the top bracket attached to the bottom bracket and the ball joint attached, we are going to install the arm that holds your phone. So you're gonna get two of these. So what you're gonna do is we're going to attach one of these right here. You wanna loosen this almost to where it feels like it's gonna fall off. It already did that for me once off camera, but we're gonna go inside here, kind of hold that down, and then one hand, especially while making sure I can get this on camera, but you can see once you have it loose enough to where this attaches to here, it goes pretty easy over onto that ball joint. So once you get that, you're just going to tighten this guy down, and you could probably do that vice versa. You can attach this to this and then here to here. That's just the way I did it. So once you have that, I'm just trying to find the best angle. I'm gonna just tighten that so it stays there. And then the same thing with the MagSafe to the second one of these. So this guy goes in here, and then kind of just try and shimmy that over, kind of holding some pressure so it doesn't all fall apart on you. Tighten that down. I know that's at the top of your screen. I thought I was framing that better, but I mean, we did it. And where's my phone? Let's give it a shot here. All right, so just got finished installing the MagSafe phone holder by Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. And yeah, so far I'm pretty darn impressed. The build quality of it is incredible. I mean, I love that it's metal. It's got some, some carbon fiber accents. I think on the website there's some different colors and stuff of the tube part, the one that I have in carbon fiber. Yeah, so far, I mean, it's handled me backing out of the driveway. I know sometimes the MagSafe holders on phones can just be a little weak, and so far this is good. My phone hasn't fallen off. The install time, it didn't take me too long. It definitely should have been shorter if I would have paid closer attention to the instructions. Obviously mounting that top bracket on before putting the ball mount on set me back a little bit. But all in all, I mean, it's a really quick install. Yeah, highly recommend it. There's a bunch of other attachments. I mean, I'll probably get one over here for the passenger. They've got different sizes. They've got different mounts. So if you don't want the MagSafe, you can get a different style. Yeah, thanks for tuning in to my first video of this channel. Looking forward to doing some more stuff. I've got some ideas of what I would like to do. But yeah, super stoked on this. Thank you to Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions for just creating an awesome product. Yeah, I would love it if you'd like the video, subscribe, and be nice in the comments. All right, peace.